our channel again. Hold on. Let me do something so that you guys can be seeing me very, very well. You know, when you are tall, you need to do something to bring out the height. So I won't waste much of your time. Sorry guys, in case you are seeing injury, I injure my tongue, try to clean it. I always have this sensitive tongue, so in case you are seeing it, don't worry about it. So don't worry, I injure my tongue just trying to brush my teeth, so it's okay. So all we have today, yesterday, sorry guys, yesterday was Sunday, today is Monday. On Saturday I went out with Obi, okay, and Obi was like, let's go out and get something. Instead of you to lie down there and be sleeping after cleaning, let's just go out. Was like, okay, we should go and visit my mommy. His mommy, I said to him, okay, just as if I'm talking to my husband, sorry guys. I was like, okay, let's go and visit your mommy. My husband was like, no, she's okay, they are fine, let's just go out to a global so that you can go and use your gift card to buy whatever you wish, which you needed to buy some KIKO makeup. You have been complaining that you needed some makeup, some things to miss. But what I ordered from Africa, I can't even get it. I don't know what is happening, but it's okay. So now I and Obi, we went to KIKO shop, and guess what? I went for some shopping. Some shopping. This lipstick is so beautiful. It's from Africa. In case you like it, you can go for it. So these are the receipts. So guys, we are going to be doing it one after the other. Okay, so little introduction. In case today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, my name is Bianca, Bellezza. I also live in Italy, Lecco. Thank you so much for coming, and I really do appreciate your presence. Don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join this beautiful queen over here, so that we can learn together. In fact, in your presence I'm growing, in your presence I'm getting old, I'm getting younger, I'm getting beautiful, sexy, all together mixed together. Okay, why did I say so? As a woman, every day you are getting more beautiful, more salesy, and more older. Okay, you're not getting younger. No, nobody's getting younger except a baby that is born today will surely get older, right? So that is it. You can even get younger. What that means, like when you have that mature mind, the age, the more your age is going, the more younger you feel inside. Is a beautiful thing. Try to be salesy. Try to think that you are always that young woman, salesy, beautiful inside, not in your medulla oblongata. Okay, because I've been loyal to people, they would think I'm stupid. I'm loyal to people just because maybe they deserve that love, they deserve that support. That does not mean that I'm stupid. The people that think I use you, they are the one that are stupid. Okay, so I use my head, and yeah, it's good to be humble. Humility when there is. So the first thing that I'm going to show you guys, this is 3D hydrate lip gloss. Okay, it's from KIKO. It's hydrate lip gloss. It's from KIKO. I got it in pink, just like violet. Okay, just like violet. You can see it, KIKO MILANO. So just for me to open it, I saw it, I was like, wow, I love this one. I have it before long ago, but guess what? I'm not a fan of lip gloss. Now that TikTok, social media, everybody is now into lip gloss. I have lip gloss. I don't even know how many, but we need to buy more. Yeah. So another one that I have again, this one is called Hearty Foundation from KIKO, and the shade is 7G active. So these are the latest number. They normally do not when it comes to KIKO, they don't do number 305, 200. It's just 7G, 6G, 5G, all these things, you know. So this is how it is, a stick foundation. I saw this stick foundation, I wanted to order it, but I was scared when it comes to what they call it, Juvia's. So this is it. Okay, so this is it. So beautiful. So you guys, you can be thinking, oh, that one, it will be too light for you. Don't worry, we are going to do makeup with it, and I will bring it on. Why I buy this stick with this color is because I have darker shade of foundation, even lighter shade of foundation. I can mix it together. I'm good when it comes to mixing foundation together. That will give me that shade. I'm very, very good at it. And yeah, so the next thing is unlimited foundation, long wear and comfort. Why did I buy this one? Because I have Hyundai Beauty, I have Dio, I have L'Oreal Paris. I have a lot of foundation over there. I have a lot. So this one is I think this shade is a little bit, not wide, because when I went there, guys, you know, when you are there with your light, it's okay. It's okay. Just for me to open is okay, because with other shade that I have one what they call it, sorry guys, 1 minute, let me get it so that I will not be okay. This one is called Makeup Forever. This foundation, this is what I'm wearing right now. This foundation will stay from today till tomorrow. Makeup Forever. But the best foundation that I've used that always give me that popping African Nigeria tune is my, you guys know it now, Ezekiel foundation. So this one is unlimited foundation. The super one among them all is this very one when it comes to KIKO foundation, because I have a lot of oil. I told the woman, io tanto tempo voglio qualcosa che mi tieni tanto, che mi copri e che mi tieni idratazione e quello. Quindi lei perciò ho fatto prendere questo. Io ho già visto, anche ho letto. When I go to any shop, I do read. In fact, I will read everything. They're like, I don't know, when I need you guys, I will ask. So this is another one of it. We have 1, 2, 3 now. Okay, and another thing that I have here is just this one. This one is called Fast and Easy Nails Polish. I remember when I went to Africa, I went with this very thing over here to clean your nails. I'll put it inside my bag so that sometimes whenever I'm going out, my nails polish is not that too perfect, it's not that too beautiful. What I'm going to do, I'll just bring it out, dip my hand inside, then use it to clean. I was having the pink one, and now I have the one that is a little bit hearty, like quick to with alcohol. The other one was without alcohol. Okay, so oh my god, I think I need to remove it. I don't know guys, but I don't need to open it now. Later I will solve it out. So it's just a nails remover. Okay, it's called Fast and Easy Nails Polish Remover. Okay, very nice. In case you want to go for it, you can go and get yours. Very nice, believe me, it's very nice, and you will love it. So that is it. And the next thing that I'm going to show you guys, just keep on watching this video. I don't know how it will come for. We have the opportunity to edit it in case I did not, but manage it. Here is my eyebrow gel, lasting eyebrow gel. This eyebrow gel, it has been long I wanted to get it, and in case you do watch my video on Facebook, I have a page called Mondo de Bellezza. I always complain the one that I have is a little bit dry, but it can still do me some work. But there is nothing like new one. You can see this is the new one, and the old one, in case I have the permission for the video not too long, more than 10 minutes, I will show you guys how it look, or whenever I'm doing it I will show you guys. So this is it, you can see. So new thing, there is a lot of difference. You can easily spot it yourself. You can spot the difference of this one is fresh. So that is it. And the shade, in case you want to go for it, I'm number 4. The old one is number 5, but they didn't have the number 5. Okay, so I love this nail polish. I saw it, I was like, wow. And it's a smart quick dry, 2 seconds you are done with it. Like the one that I'm wearing, just so quick. I also did a review when I bought this very color. It reflects different kind of color clearly. So this is the color, so beautiful. It's orange, red, yellow, all together. Just a rainbow orange. I don't know the color to call it, guys. It's just all these colors that are trendy now, like florist. I don't even know name. A lot of color is inside with glinters, just like the one that I'm wearing, just like just that my camera won't allow it to show. Okay, just like something with glinters. Okay, so that is it. I love that one, it's so beautiful. This one is somebody that gifts me this very one. Okay, so this is another KIKO holiday makeup, which thank God I lay my hands on it. I needed the highlighter, but they were not having my shade, so I have a lot of highlights. I don't want to buy something that I will end up not using it, guys. I'm opening it because I want to show you guys. So this very one is called KIKO Milano, a holiday fable hydro infusion matte powder. Wow, that is nice. My first time. I haven't even seen it on what they call it on adverts on TV. So it's just a powder, and the way they did it is so beautiful, just like flower. The design is so beautiful. So beautiful and gorgeous. Can you see that, guys? So that is it. I love it. Ooh, because of the mask that I was wearing, I have all this pink all over my legs. But it's okay. I'm already I'm done with the video now that I'm seeing it. It's okay. Let's talk about it. Huh? Yeah. Vai preparare? Vai. No. So guys, that is it. Okay guys, sorry for the interruption. So that is it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. Oh my god, it was a lot. 7. Okay, so the next thing, whenever I have opportunity, is just mascara. Yeah, because I saw one mascara in TV. They had that. They were like, once you put it on your lashes, you don't with the year. So those are just I don't think I need anything. So with this one, I'm covered. I don't know when I will be going to KIKO. Maybe during the summer, I can go there and just get, even if it's something 50 euro with Obi, you know. Once you go out with Obi, you surely get 1 or 2 things for yourself as a queen. Add it to your makeup room. So that is it, guys. This is just a short video of what I bought from KIKO last time that I went out with Obi. Thank you so much for watching this video. In case you watched to this meeting, thank you so much. I'm going to take my daughter to a sport. She and a friend. So now I'm just gonna go and take one hot tea. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I love you. And don't forget to subscribe. Help me to like this video and share to 1 or 2 sisters to join the channel. I love you. Your BBG.